So we finally got the stock exhaust off. The hangers were a fucking bitch, but that shit wasn't too bad. My dumb ass left these motherfuckers in the sun, so they're hot as fuck now. So I gotta let that shit cool off, and then we're gonna put the motherfuckers right on. Now I seen some people saying that shit, like with these blast pipes, you're gonna have to do a fucking bumper tuck, but I'm not sure. We'll see how that shit goes. So we're right here under the car. We got the muffler on there. Just about to put the actual blast pipes on, but right now we got to do a bumper tuck. So what I'm thinking about doing, I see a bunch of different people, you know, drill into here, you know what I mean, and just have it like this. I'm going to use zip ties and zip tie the shit onto here, and hopefully it holds up. Same thing over here, and just hold the whole thing up. Fuck, I'm gonna use a little Dremel though. These motherfuckers are big. So now, shit is finna get real. Bumper tuck here. So what we did, we just we drilled a hole in that pad right there, and then the bumper, and we just gonna zip tie the shit out of it. There we go. Yeah, that fucker looks mean, man. Oh yeah.
You're ready.
Wait.